It's been a year since Hurricane Helene hit Southwest Virginia, causing dangerous flooding, power outages, and property damage. Experts called it a once-in-a-lifetime storm, but in the year since Helene, Galax has continued to see unusually heavy rainfall and flash flooding. Many Galax residents are asking, is this normal? This summer was one of the wettest in recent memory. In July alone, Galax received 15 inches of rain, a third of our yearly average in just 1 month. Then, on August 1st, nearly 4 inches of rain fell in less than an hour. With the ground already saturated, this event overwhelmed the city's stormwater infrastructure, closing roads and causing significant erosion. What used to be called a 100-year storm occurs more often, sometimes more than once in the same year. The extent to which Galax floods depends on when and where the rain falls. Galax is located in the upper New River watershed. All of the rain that falls in this watershed eventually makes its way to the New River. When the New River floods here in the Twin Counties, it's usually the result of heavy rains in the mountains of North Carolina. Chestnut Creek is a different story. When Chestnut Creek floods, it's normally due to heavy rains at higher elevations along the Blue Ridge Parkway, in Fairview, and Piper's Gap. What we saw this summer, though, was the result of a series of storms that parked right on top of Galax. Chestnut Creek filled up, leaving nowhere for local stormwater pipes to drain. Downtown and West Galax, for example, form a combined watershed that drains to Chestnut Creek between Bartlett Street and the 4-lane highway. This drainage basin is served by an extensive network of drainage ditches, underground pipes, and drop inlets, with no fewer than 12 stormwater outlets along the creek. Under normal conditions, this infrastructure works well to drain the downtown and adjacent neighborhoods efficiently, but the system is old, and it wasn't designed for the frequency and intensity of storms that we see today. As infrastructure needs to be replaced, the city is working with engineers to design new systems that can handle greater volumes of water. Bedsall Road is a good example. This drainage basin includes a sizable area outside the city limits in Carroll County, yet all of the rainfall in this basin flows to a single point at the intersection of Bedsall and Meadow Street, with only one culvert to convey water to the creek. Another example can be found on Glendale Road and Valley Street near the hospital. Stormwater pipes cross under Glendale, then under Route 58, before stormwater can finally make its way down Shaw Street to Chestnut Creek. Heavy rains have led to significant erosion in this area, clogging pipes with mud and compromising the system's ability to move water. In addition to fixing existing infrastructure, the city is engaged in a long-range flood resilience plan to identify flood-prone areas and possible engineering solutions that will help alleviate our problems. The public is invited to a flood resilience planning workshop here at the Municipal Building on October 23rd.